Hey, this is Andy with Andy's Buildings, and I got Anthony here.
Good morning.
Anthony, where are we, man?
We're in Hillsboro, Texas, and we're at one of Andy's locations here where he built this building for this guy. It's the first time that we came back to see the building once it finished, and it was way better than what we thought it was gonna be.
Oh yeah, man. So today's a big day. We're gonna do a good tour to show you guys kind of what we offer. Anthony's gonna lead the way.
Okay. Here we have a 15-foot overhang, and on this side we have a 10-foot overhang.
Man, this is perfect. What could you do out here?
Okay.
A lot of things, huh?
Yeah, you can do a lot of things out here, man. You always got shade, and you got wind. You got the area here is basically an outside patio that has doors where you can see from inside out. Has windows. Has a nice fan up top where you can get the air circulating. He has a TV out here. Everything really looks nice. He has nice lights.
Man, and this is our upgraded truss design here. Adds a little bit more structure support. We did do this finishing look here. That way it hides all the framing all around. Nice finish work. So this is the dark gray, Quaker gray walls, black trim, Galvanized roof. All right, man. Well, let's go inside. That way you can kind of shows around.
Okay. First time going in.
We got a nice 12-foot door here, sliding door. As you guys can see, they're moving in.
And he has a nice big kitchen living room here, and he really has some really nice doors. Real heavy doors, nice trim work, a bedroom here. He has a nice shower bedroom here.
Let's walk up in here.
Okay, he has a nice bathroom.
Oh, this is custom.
Custom bathroom.
Let's turn the lights on here.
Okay.
They're off.
I'll take the lights off, okay.
Man, look at that.
Nice custom tile floor. Has a nice window where you can look outside and see for miles.
Man, look at
miles. Look at that. That's the view. Wow.
So that's where we were at right now.
That's right. Just right there.
That's where we were at.
Okay. Wow.
Man.
Nice view.
Look at all the. Yeah, we're able to watch all the wildlife.
Had real tall ceilings.
Really tall. So.
And he has a nice giant closet. I mean, giant. He has a nice giant walk-in closet.
And my wife would like this, man. Hey, she would take all of it, and I just have this little square right here.
Wow. Is that all right? Okay.
Very beautiful.
Beautiful.
I believe these windows are 3x5s, but he provided those. He furnished those. We installed them. Man, look at this.
Okay. Second bedroom.
Oh, that's a nice.
With a sliding door, smaller closet, nice lighting. This is basically the mud room, laundry room, where it has a hot water heater. And this is the door from when you come from outside, walk away from when you come inside the house.
So now we're on the opposite end of that 15-foot overhang. We put a nice 10-foot overhang here on the side. Very beautiful.
Beautiful front porch area.
Today's a big day where he's moving in, Mr. Blanco. Super excited.
Walk right up to the front porch. On those real hot days, he can come and sit on the front porch. He has outside lighting. He has all his water fixtures there with electric here and a nice window. So every room he gets in, he could always look outside. He has a view no matter where he's at in his house. He has a view of the whole outside.
And again, this is custom. This is a custom building covering the framing here. Guys, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube, because we're gonna go back and do a lot of projects that we've done in the last couple years. Showcase everything we've done. For all inquiries, make sure to andysbuildings.com and our sales team, they'll reach out within 24 hours. All right, guys, we're out here. Mr. Blanco's building here. What do you think, man? How's the outcome?
I love it. It came out really nice. It started small at first, but 1,500 square feet for 2 bedrooms. Good view on from every room. I love it.
That's what we were saying. We went on every side of the house. Each side you have a view, man. Yeah. So it's perfect. You can sit for miles too.
Oh yeah, man.
So. Well, man, you got any recommendations for the people out there? How was your overall process throughout, from when you reached out to the construction, us building it? You got any pointers? Just a couple,
It was a smooth process as far as you, as far as your side went. You all went out here, you got it done quick. But if you're gonna get land, just be ready to kind of have some expenses with dirt work and all that type of stuff, land work. Just expect a little bit more. But as far as your side, came out here, got it done quick, less than like 7 days. Smooth process, real smooth process.
What installation did you go with?
I went with spray foam.
Spray foam.
I believe it was closed cell. Closed cell or open cell.
Okay.
But I can tell a big difference with that.
Oh, once they sprayed it.
Yeah, y'all just leave that outside. Yeah, y'all just leave that on the patio. Yeah, I appreciate it.
So like this is a 1,500 square foot home. You got 2 bedrooms?
2 bedrooms in
here. 2 bedrooms in here. Good size.
Yeah, I'm just doing 2 bedrooms now just to get out here, and then I'm gonna extend the garage, do a driveway, and then do another 2 bedrooms on the other side. For now, 2 bedrooms fine for me.
Awesome, man. We want to showcase kind of what to look for. So I know we get a lot of like spray foam, kind of what it's gonna cost. So what's a good ballpark you paid for spray foam here?
For spray foam, 1,500 square feet, all the way around, it was roughly around 10,000 or so.
10,000,
about
okay.
10,000 or so. But just expect about 13 or so. 13 to 15.
Are you running any units right now? Or are they all, like, is the AC off, heater off right now? Or?
Oh, yeah, it's all off.
It's all off, and it feels good, huh? Yeah, it feels good.
Eventually, when summer comes, he's going to save probably about half on his electric bill.
Yeah.
And in the long run, over the years, all the money that he's put on his installation, he'll get that back.
Oh, yeah.
So basically, it'd be like a profit.
Yeah.
Basically like a profit, yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, all right, man. Any last words for people out there?
But if you think about going to Andy's buildings, for sure.
Awesome,
Don't hesitate. I mean, they get the job done, they get it quick, and just wherever you want, they can get the cutouts done and get you going quick, man.
Awesome, man. Well, we got a little gift for you, man.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay, here you go. That's some.
Oh, yeah.
You probably need it.
It's windy out here, so I'm definitely gonna need this. Yeah. I love it, man. I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Oh, I love it. Love it.
Sweet, man. Well, thank you for having us out here, man.
Absolutely.
We'll get everything locked up and head out.
Oh yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hey, you have a really nice place, man.
I appreciate it.
Nice place.
Well, you got any last words, Anthony?
Buy Andy's buildings.
That's awesome, man. Yeah, we'll take care of you guys. For all of the inquiries, andysbuildings.com. Submit a sales quote form on there, and we'll take care of you guys. Thank you guys for tagging along, and we'll see you guys on the next one.